When we're using X or Twitter, sometimes we get account recommendations. If you want those recommendations in your email, you can enable one setting. After that, you'll get account recommendations in your email as well. In this video, we'll show you how to enable this notification. For this, open the X app. After that, at the top you'll see your profile photo. Tap on this profile photo. When you tap on it, you'll see Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Support. And here you'll see Settings and Privacy. Select this option. After that, you'll see Notifications. Tap on Notifications. When you tap on that, here you'll see Preferences. Tap on Preferences. And here you'll see Email Notifications. Tap on this. When you tap on it, at the top you'll see Email Notifications. If it's turned off, you need to enable it. After that, here you'll see the From X section. Under that, you can see many options. Here you'll see one option, Suggestions for Recommended Accounts. If you want notifications for recommended accounts, you can enable this. After this, you'll get these kinds of notifications. So this is how you can easily enable these notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.